Hi friends, hope you are fine and doing well. In this class today we are going to learn about the short pixel. What is called as short pixel? I will tell you. So for example, if our website has so many images and the size of every image is more than one MB. So for example, 10 images are like that. So 10 images means 10 MB data. In order to open our website, first the 10 MB of data should be downloaded first, right? So for downloading that much of data, it will take some time. So that lagging of time will lead to the degradation of our website performance. So in order to improve our website performance, to load fast, we had to install one plugin called, okay, Short Pixel, okay, Short Pixel. This short pixel is a plugin which will reduce the size of the images which are present on our website without changing any kind of quality of the video, or the uh, videos or any images. Okay, so short pixel, by the name of short pixel. You see, this is the logo of the short pixel. Okay, so presently in my website, Magnify, like one more website, one more plugin is already installed, that one. So I do not recommend that one. But you can go through this one. This one, which one? The short pixel image optimizer. So optimize images, convert web page and AVIF. Okay. So if you want to install this one, after the complete setup of your website, you need to, after the complete installation of your website, so under your dashboard, you need to install the very basic important tools which are required for your business. So you need to install here. Okay, if you click install here, it will get active button will become here, and after that it will show us to activate. Again, if it's press here activate, it will get installed, and it will ask our email ID, and then just proceed. Then automatically these website will start installing. Before you, I will try to show you short pixel image optimization. Okay, so before that I can delete the previously which I am using pixel magnifier um, plugin. I will try to uh, delete that one, first one, so that I can show you the details of that one, how to install this one. First, in order to see your website, first you need to first we need to tell we need to go to our plugins section, right? Go to plugin section. Yes, yes. Under plugin section, open. Go to installed plugin section. Okay. So under install plugin section, you may see all the plugins which are already there in our website. Okay. So now coming to Imagify. So this is the Imagify. Now I am trying to uninstall this plugin. I do not require this one. I am trying to uninstall this one, and I will try to activate the short pixel plugin. Okay. So what I have to do is simply I have to remove that Imagify. So like that they have kept the name. So Imagify plugin I have deleted right now. So see here, you click this one, and you can also click here delete option. Then your this plugin called Imagify can be deleted from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, Imagify was successfully deleted. Okay, so you can also see here some plugins which are inactive, which will show here. Some plugins you must have to use, they will recommend here. And what are all the plugins which we have, all the number of plugins data is here showing 41 web, 41 plugins are already there. And now active among them, 3 are inactive, means 38 are active. So like that, everything you can see here. Now coming to here, add a new plugin section, and under this you start searching as short pixel. Okay, short short pixel. Now you search like this short pixel by the name short pixel. One plugin will be there. This one. Now install this one. It will take some time to get installed. No, it is. It will take some time, dear friends. Let me wait. So see here, installed, activate. After installing any new plugin, we have to press activate button. Okay, and then it will get activated within few minutes. I already pressed activate. Okay, it will get activated. It will be starting showing here, displaying here. Okay, it will get displaying here. See here now, it is came here. What is that one? Short pixel, right? See here, it is showing here deactivate. That means it is activated right now. Okay, it is activated just now. So we can check that plugin in this plugin section here also where that was installed. Okay, set key workflow. If it is not looking here, then you can go to the settings of that plugin and you can install again. Or you can activate also. Okay. Okay. So it is not appearing here. So what you do is uh, coming to short pixel sessions, come to go to sections, settings. Okay. And then see here, you need to add your email ID. Okay. You need to add your email ID. So now I'm adding my email ID. That's why it is not activated. So I have to give the email ID and API key. So to validate that one. So I'm giving now my email ID. And now request a key. So dear friends, we can see here API key. Your API key is valid. Okay. You can copy this one. Copy this one. You can save the changes as well. If it is required, it is already taken. I hope. Go to short pixels account dashboard. If you do not find the API key, come to API key section also here. Then also you can find the API key here. Okay. Your API key is this one, right? Did you got it? Your API key is this one. So this short pixel plugin, what it is show is this is actually it is a pro plugin, but up to 100 images per every month you can optimize or you can minimize the size of the images whatever you have in your website. Okay, so this is called as short pixel website. See here, plan is free, total 100 credits for every month. Use this month just I have installed now. Remaining 100 credits are as it is there because we hadn't used any plugin. We hadn't used it right now till now. Okay, like this uh, advanced, advanced. You need to do anything here. Okay, then come to optimize retina images, everything. Optimize other thumbnails also you can do. Convert PNG image to JPG. If you want to do directly automatically, then it will do. Okay, like that. You don't need to see exclude thumbnail sizes also. You can do everything. So just save changes. You can uh, you know keep here, put here. You can see short pixel. See here, is it? Now install it. This is installed. Short pixel. Now it is showing that. So I hope you understand clearly, dear friends. Now coming to short pixel, under short pixel section, you come here now, and you can optimize your content, which is whatever is there. Go to losses section, and you have to save changes. That's it. It's enough. Now losses sections. Now the rest of the thing it will do. Okay. You no need to do anything right now. Just it will optimize all the data, all the images, posts, PNGs, thumbnails, whatever the data images you have, media files you have, all those can be easily optimized by using this fast pixel, the new website acceleration framework. Fast pixel. This is another website. Okay, it is promoting here. No problem. Close this one. You can come to here. Okay. Now coming to here. So now you have come connected the pixel, short pixel, right? Now you come to gallery or media section and start now bulk short pixel or custom media. Add a new media, bulk short pixel, custom media. Bulk short pixel means you will it will be start optimizing. This option will start showing to you. To start select images, summary, bulk process results. It will show you. Okay. So enable also create a web versions of the images. Also create AVIF versions of the images. If you want, you can. Okay. If you do not want, no problem. See here. Now you can calculate. What I have done, just I have installed the short pixel. Show me the best options. What it is saying. See a total credits needed 979. The pixel credited available 100 only because see our website is having so many images, right? So as I told you, 41 41 what this one 41 images or plugins I have installed in my website. So it is asking me to reduce the size of the website. It will total credits needed 979, but it is showing that it is conditionally showing that 100 only can be done. If he wants to buy for 500 limit, we can do for for 500. It is showing some cost. You can, if he wants to buy, we can buy the next one. See here, $9 unlimited. Okay, for $9 unlimited, we can do the optimization of our website. Big companies, major companies, they will do for optimizing our website. Okay, so if we do not activate, traffic won't come, dear friends. Our website won't be traffic. Gets good traffic and won't be ranked for good purpose. Okay, so this is all about today's class regarding the Google Site Kit, and the second one is what search. This one what short pixel installation in our WordPress dashboard. I hope you understand it clearly. Thank you so much. Still it is going on. Average this runtime is going on. We can see here images, whatever the images we have. It is started optimizing the data. Okay, it gets started, the optimizing the data. It is starting media library. It is going to media library and starting all the image optimization process. See, optimize the image 94% smaller. Okay, 94% smaller sizes have been already done. It is showing us. Okay, like that. For 100%, when it reaches 100%, then our complete website will be gets 100% optimized. Okay. Anyhow, so this is about short pixel. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.